Hi, my name's Mason. This is my tutorial how to make an object disappear in CoSpaces Edu. Step 1 is to drag anything from the library located in the bottom left corner where the circle is. Step 2 is to press code right where my circle is. Step 3 is to go to Events. Drag when no item is clicked to the when play is clicked. Step 5 is to tap no items on the when no items is clicked box. Step 6 is to double tap your item. Step 7 is to press code and then switch on using code blocks. Step 8 is to press select item and select your item in the drop down bar. Step 9 is to go into the actions category and drag the set opacity of blank to blank into your when item is clicked. Step 10 is to change the 100 to a 0. Step 11 is to exit code blocks by pressing code and then press play right next to the code button. Step 12 is to find your item, tap it, and then it should disappear.